Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to simplify the fraction. Okay, given the fraction question, we are going to apply the rule of BODMAS to solve this problem. Okay, that is, you can write solution. We have 2 whole number 1/3 plus 3 whole number 3/5 divided by 1 whole number 1/8. In this case, we are going to clear the mixed fraction before we go to the next stage. Let's clear the mixed fraction. We have 2 times 3 plus 1. That is, here we have 7/3 plus 3 times 5, 15 plus 3, that is 18/5, half divided by 1 times 8 plus 1, that is, here we have 9/8. The next stage, we are going to apply the rule of BODMAS, where we can see where it says BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, and addition, then subtraction. Now we are going to clear the division before the addition. Let's have 7/3 plus, this is 18/5 divided by 9/8. In this case, if you have 18/5, we can change it into multiplication. That is, here we have 8/9. Okay, in this step we can continue by saying 18 times 8. If you press 18 times 8, you get 7/3. 7/3 plus 144 divided by 5 times 9. This is equals to 45. Now we resolve into the normal fraction, where we can find the LCM and simplify the problem. The LCM of 3 and 45, here we can take 45 because 3 will be inside 43. That is, 3 can go into 45, which is 15 times. In this case, we can say the LCM here is 45. That is, how many 3 do you have in 45? It can go 15 times, because 15 times 3 is equals to 45. That is, we can say 15 times 7 plus, the next step we can say is 45 into 45. This is 1. Now we can say 1 times 144. This is equals to 15 times 7, that is 105, plus 144 all over 45. This is equals to 1445 plus 144. Here you get 249 divided by 45. Now we have to reduce the fraction into the lowest form, that is the lowest term. Okay, then we can say this divided by 3. This one also divided by 3. This will be equals to, this one, it can go 83 all over 15. This is equals to, and in this step we can simplify the fraction into mixed number. That is how many 15 do you have in 83? It can go 5 times. 5 whole number, 15, the remainder 8. That's the final answer is 5 whole number 8 over 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.